Hey guys, sitting in a 2001 SeaDoo Challenger 2000, pretty good shape. Been having problems lately keeping the boat, or I've been having problems starting the boat when on the water and after running. Thought it was the vape tank, thought it was a fuel filter. The boat starts up just beautifully when on the trailer or on, out of the water, but as soon as it's on the water and runs, it just has a really hard time starting. So much that I've had somebody like turning the key for me, and then I'd quickly throw it into forward and then throw the throttle in just to get like some fuel. That's tricky. But I have a buddy who has the same boat. Apparently in the engine manual, there's a trick that all you have to do is turn the wheel all the way to the right as far as it'll go, like until it stops. And in doing that, it activates the throttle just a little bit. So it sort of like revs the engine. And I tested this out yesterday, took the boat out, started right up. But normally after running for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I'd turn the boat off, and while on the water, it would just not start up again. Well, I tried this trick, turned the steering wheel all the way to the right, started up like nothing. Easy all day long. I started and stopped the boat 10 times because I was just in disbelief. So that's the steering wheel hack for this 2001 SeaDoo Challenger with a 240 Merc. Just turn the steering wheel to the right all the way till it stops. Turn the key. It'll turn over every time. You're welcome.